Let's implement the solution. And the first step is to analyze the company's current environment, where we are going to analyze the compliance assessment. And we are going to do that from purview.microsoft.com. And when the portal open, the next thing to do is to go to solutions. And after that, we go to compliance manager. And you can see the compliance scope currently. And the next thing we just need to do is to go to assessments, and we are going to add assessment. So we check select regulation, and we can just search for ISO 27001. So I've tested before, so it's there. So I'll just select that, then save. You can see it's just trying to validate. So here, all I just need to name the assessment. So I'll give it ISO 27001 audit assessment. Okay, then I can now next to this here, so I can add all the services that I want to access. But for this page, it has already selected the M365 for me, so I'll just work with that since it's just a test environment. And this page is to review and finish, just like validation, and check everything that I've picked earlier. So I just need to create the assessment here. That is all. So I just click on done. And the next task is to, assign tasks to a technical engineer, because this assessment shows different areas and actions that are essential to comply with ISO 27001 regulation. So I've just duplicated that tab, and we will investigate improvement action. So I need to just pick the improvements, that's the control family under physical controls, and I have all the improvement action. You can see, so the next is to assign a user, just to assign a technical engineer to that. What users that I have here, let me just pick Delia as my technical engineer. Next is to assign to Delia. All right. And also I want to assign it, to give access to another technical engineer for this improvement action. So I'll just click on manage user access and click on assessor, add assessor, pick maybe another technical engineer that I want to give access to. That's Adele, and I click on apply. Just save this. So this is just a way for you to, check if your environment, your Azure environment complies with ISO 27001. I hope this helps someone in your cloud journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.